This course is the Klamath Basin Field Course. It's a 2-week field course where we travel throughout the Klamath Basin. The reason that I bring students from Cal Poly Humboldt out to the Trinity River is to learn from professionals that are doing restoration and from a lot of different perspectives and disciplines. And so as we float down the Trinity River, they can not only see examples of restoration projects that have been implemented, but also hear different aspects of the project, like the hydrology, the design, the policy work, the public relations, lots of different aspects from all the different experts that we have with us today.
We're so happy to be here today with many different agencies and organizations. It's important to foster relationships, to teach students about what we're doing, to give them an interest in what's available to them, showing them all the different agencies that they could potentially work with as they move through their careers. And it's fun.
My favorite part of this day on the river is just being able to experience the river from being on the water as opposed to driving to sites and looking at them that way. Students really get a sense of what the river channel looks like as we travel. The overall goal of this course is for students to see professionals doing this work, to learn from them. How did they get into this career? What do they do in their job? What do they love most about it? So that students can start to visualize themselves in careers in the natural resources.
Today we've got lots of experts from lots of different agencies and organizations to be able to talk about not only their expertise, but the work that's been done on the Trinity River. The TRRP, Trinity River Restoration Program, is compiled of 8 different agencies that work together to restore the Trinity.
Thanks to the Trinity River Restoration Program for putting this on. This is just an amazing opportunity for these students to experience, and I'm just continually grateful that we're able to offer this year after year.